Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how you can turn off blood in Dude Theft Wars game. If you prefer a less graphic look when playing Dude Theft Wars, turning the blood effect off can create a calmer experience. First of all, launch open the Dude Theft Wars game on your device and from the main homepage, go to settings on the bottom right corner and tap on it. After you open up settings, look for the blood effects button at the bottom right. To turn off blood effect and to make your gameplay experience less graphic, tap on the switch right next to blood effects. If you leave it unchecked, then you will be able to turn off the blood effects from your game. So that is how it's super easily done. Now you know how you can easily make your gameplay experience less graphic in Dude Theft Wars. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.